In question 34, they're asking us to solve and then show the check. I don't require showing check. I just think you're foolish if you don't check your answers. So I will never on a test say show your check. I would assume that on a test or even on homework, you're going to check your work. So let's solve. The first thing I want to do is simplify on each side of the equation, right? So I have a 3x minus a 1x, that's 2x. I still have the plus 5 equals x minus 3. So now I can subtract x from both sides, and I get 2x minus 1x is x plus 5 equals negative 3 because they cancel. And I can subtract 5 from both sides, and I get x equals negative 8. For part B, I need to simplify. And to simplify this left side, this negative needs to get distributed into the parentheses. It's really like negative 1 times everything in parentheses. So that becomes 5x minus x, and then minus 1. That negative gets distributed in, equals 5 minus 2x. So now I'll combine like terms. I have 5x minus 1x. That's 4x minus 1 equals 5 minus 2x. Now I'll add 2x to both sides. And I get 6x, 4x plus 2x is 6x minus 1 equals, they cancel, 5. Add 1 to both sides. Get 6x equals 6. And divide both sides by 6 to yield x equals 1.